Ruffalo, wake up! What do you want? Look, Ruffalo, the Rock is dead, Ruffalo. I don't give a shit! I don't care! Look, Ruffalo, the Rock is dead. The police is outside here, Ruffalo. They think we're the killer, but the original killer is Harry Potter, Ruffalo. Harry Potter snitched on us. Who killed the Rock? My friend. Harry Potter, Rothwell. He killed him and he's snitching on us, Rothwell. He's snitching on us and Harry Potter's outside. But he's the fucking snitch. How do you know this? Well, Leon, he has access to the DNA laboratory and he saw that the Rock's body had Harry Potter fingerprints, Rothwell. So, Rothwell, you gotta go talk to him. Oh shit, okay. Mo! Fuck shit. There's nothing you can do, Raphael. You're the killer. You have drugs. Fuck. Fuck. Mr. Raphael. What? Where's Harry Potter? Hey, you piece of shit. Huh? Huh, you fucking piece of shit. Look at me. Look at me. What do you want, mate? You fucking killed the Rock. You killed him. Huh? You fucking killer. You psycho. You psycho. You psychopath. You psychopath. You killed him. I didn't do nothing, mate. I didn't do anything at all. Oh yeah? How do you explain that, huh? How do you explain that? I get it, mate. I get it, huh? You fucking snitch piece of shit. Oh, I didn't do anything, mate. I didn't do anything. You fucking snitch piece of shit. Clyde, you lied to me. You did. Clyde, something isn't right here. I'm gonna grab my car. Alright, Ralph, what are you doing here? Why didn't you knock? So, do you know what happened? Do you know what happened to Rock, Clyde? Yeah, he unfortunately passed away. What the fuck? What the fuck, Clyde? Harry Potter said something. Oh, what did he say? He said something, he is a real killer, he snitched on us. Oh shit, no way, Ruffle? Can't believe that. Yeah, he snitched on us, but when I confronted him, and he died by himself, he said, Clyde, you lied to me. So, it was probably from some cookies or some McDonald's, something like that, or waffle. I didn't buy it. That's why. Okay. What? No, Raffle. I didn't say anything, Raffle. What? I didn't say anything. I'm superior. I'm cute. The fuck, Raffle? You're black. No, Raffle, not black. You're black. I'm gonna grab my car. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'm gonna go kill my friends. Fucking trees. Waffle, it's too hot. Wait, Paul, where are you? Fuck you, Raphael! What the fuck? Oh, tough. Oh, I'm out. Come on over, Raphael. Killed my brother! Get it, bitch! No, Raphael, stop! Fuck you! It's your life, bitch. Fuck! Fuck! Oh, you're weak, Rob, you're weak! Kill my brother! You're gonna pay, Rolf. You're gonna pay. Fuck. Give me a second. Shit. Easy. I gotta. Oh, I got rid of all the hogs. We're walking in! I'm a hero. Who opened the door? Dare this? Kill me, sir. Who did this?